Good morning. We are starting day 2 right now, and our plan for today is to rip up all the flooring that's on the bottom of the van. We'll see how it goes. Let's check out what Eric's doing. That's how it looks like right now. It's a mess. It's gonna be really hard to get out because it's all glued to the floor. To rip up the floor, it took us the entire day. Since it was glued to the floor of the van, it was really hard to take out. We used the crowbar to take the old panels out and a hammer and chisel to take the leftover glue off. At one point, we even brought out a hairdryer to try and heat up the glue, but it wasn't really effective. We could have probably figured out an easier way to take the old flooring out, but we used any resources that we had on hand. Next, we removed the walls, and that was pretty easy since it only had about 10 screws and a couple of staples. We wore masks to protect ourselves from the dust, debris, and fiberglass insulation that was previously installed in there.
I just got back from Home Depot and I picked up a lot of wood and stuff. So I got like plywood and just all our miscellaneous like spray glues and tools, our wood glue, bolts to fix the top because the top is not connected. Razor blades, yeah. Then I went to my house to pick up all of the power tools that my grandpa's letting us borrow. We got insulation, 2x2, and I think this is like 3x1/2 inch. So our next step is to vacuum all the insulation or insulation, whatever you call it, off the inside of the van, and then clean all the old carpet and wood chips. Other than that, I think that's all. I'm gonna have to figure out where we're putting the wiring, like where we want all our plugs and all that random junk. But I'll show you what we're talking about when we have to what I have to remove on the installation. So it's all this junk, and then this is like the old drain for the porta potty or the toilet, our AC vents. This is our water pump line, so just a lot of miscellaneous stuff we have to get done. Ashley's at work right now, so I'm here alone getting it all done. So we'll see how it goes. Alright, so I'm gonna start vacuuming the van and removing all the stuff we don't need. We have some tape. We got some tape, and there's a lot of random little holes that are here from like the old flooring and stuff. So I'm gonna fill those holes with like this tape that we got. It's made to cover holes in metal. Here's the tape. It's like super thick aluminum tape with has a resin coating on it or something. So I just finished up getting all those holes patched up. I'll show you guys real quick. So all those little things were holes from the past owners. I still have like a couple to go. Actually, I missed 2 big ones. And then these ones I left alone because they're for that plastic piece over there that I took off. But other than that, once I get those 2 holes patched up, I'm going to go ahead and start putting the Reflectix on the floor, and then we'll be able to get the floorboards in finally. Okay guys, so I just put the Reflectix, I just rolled it out, it's not all the way on, and I got some tape holding it together. It's 4 feet wide by 8 feet long, and I'm gonna get the first piece of plywood in here so it can be at least like a normal floor. To start the new flooring, I put Reflectix on the floor. The Reflectix is our insulation. Next, I cut up the panels to the measurements of the van, so that way they fit perfectly. Before putting the screws in the floor, I drilled holes halfway throughout the panels, so that when I put the screws in, they sit below the top of the wood. This creates an equal leveling to the entirety of the van floor for when we install our laminate flooring.
Day 2 of our camper renovation is done and complete. I'm really tired. My brother's gonna go make a smoothie, so I'm gonna go drink that. Okay? Till next time, I will see you tomorrow.